Morning, y'all. We jumping straight in, okay? So y'all know I got locks, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys how I prep my locks and put them in the wig, okay? So I just gather the hair and put it in a low ponytail in the back. Usually I will have a ponytail holder, but I've been tweaking, so I haven't been having that on hand. So I just really just push them up in there, just get them in the wig cap. And then I go in and I did this off camera, but I put on a second wig cap, and this just further smushes the locks to your head. And girl, that's it, okay? Because this wig cap is so super stretchy, it works really good. And don't get me started on this hairline, you guys. This unit comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut. This one is really good. So I don't know if I didn't mention, this wig is from Alipearl hair. This is my first time working with this company, you guys, but the wig is on a stretchy wig cap, which I have been loving, okay? So this wig is supposed to be glueless. It definitely could be, but because of my locks, y'all, I had to glue this one down, okay? It was sliding around, but if you don't have all that going on under your wig, it's good to be glueless. You definitely could do that. So what I'm doing here, y'all, I'm just furthering the part. We want to get as much of that part as we could. There was at least an inch, that I had to maybe a half inch, but it makes the difference, okay? The longer the lace goes back, the more natural it looks, okay? So what I'm doing here is I'm just pressing the getting that as flat as I can to my head, because we want it to look good and flat. We don't want it looking puffy, okay? That definitely gives wig, but this one, it didn't give wig, okay? This one is really cute. So now y'all see me, I did wear this glueless, but I like to do this with my glueless wigs. I go in with this Fantasia Mousse Spritz, and I just, put it on the lace. If I'm able to wear it glueless, I will do this, but later on in the video, you guys will see that the wig slid back, so I did have to glue it back. But as you guys can see, that Fantasia spray is all you need, for a glueless wig, okay? That's it, girl. So now let's get into the styling of the hair, y'all. So the hairline is laid. Let's get into the actual hair. The hair, I didn't really have to brush it out. It came already in the curl pattern, but I like it to be fresh, you know what I'm saying? I like it to be of my work, yeah. So I did comb it out with my unbrushed. There was a little bit of shedding in this one, not too bad, just a little bit of shedding. And then I went in with some water and just a spray bottle, and I just kind of combed the hair out. And y'all, this hair is super soft. It didn't get tangled really bad at all. It's really good hair. I really like the hair on this one, and the curls are super defined and juicy. I really like it. This one I did not. Usually I will cut the ends on the hair to make it all one length, but I kind of liked how it was kind of, I don't know, the shape of it without cutting it. Now let's get into the mousse, y'all. So I'm using this mousse from my beauty supply store. I don't know what the name is, but it's the silver one. And after the hair is wet and defined, I do go in with this. This gives the hair an extra hold. And this does not leave the hair crispy or anything. It gives it more hold and more shine and more definement in your curls. So I really like doing this step. As y'all can see, that mousse was all over the place, all in my mouth, all this girl. But yeah, once that was done, y'all, I did go in with a pick. And you'll kind of want to wait till the hair is almost dry, and then you kind of want to you can use a pick or you can use your fingers, but just kind of create some volume so the hair isn't super flat. Because with curly hair, you need to kind of bump it up, you know what I'm saying? So now we're on to tinting the lace, y'all. I went in with my Ruby Kisses, and I further tinted the lace after you know, everything. And then I went in and I defined the part also with the ruby kisses. We just want to make everything stand out and, you know, blend together, okay? This is the final result of the wig. My wig is on, my makeup is on, y'all. I'm feeling myself, okay? Like, this unit is really good. Like I said, I did have to glue it on, but it can be worn glueless if you need to. And this one, it went like almost all the way, like a 13x6 frontal. It's just like a little bit of sideburns out, so it's not too bad. I really like that. The hair is gorgeous. Like, it's a really cute length. The curl pattern is really good. The hair is really soft. There's no smell to this one either. Y'all, like, I was just really feeling like a vixen in this hair. Like, it's just really cute. I love curly hair. I love a curly hair moment. Like, it's been a while since I had a curly wig. I've been all about, like, straight wigs and curling them and stuff. But, girl, this one is really good. Alipearl did a big one with this one, okay? This one is available on the TikTok shop. I do have it. I will have it linked down below. I also will have the actual link from the website. You know, I'll have all the ways that you can purchase this wig, however you want to purchase it. You know, it'll be down in the description box, okay? But y'all, you have to get this wig. I really love this one a lot. Like, most curly wigs that I have are like just such a hassle to get through, but this one was not, due to the hair being super soft and the lace being already cut. This only took me like maybe about 30 minutes, and it could have took less, but y'all know you gotta show out for YouTube. You gotta do the most, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, you gotta get this one, y'all. This one is a 10 out of 10 for me. Let me know what y'all think down in the comments, what you guys think about this, okay? And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye.